3 biggest breast growth mistakes you're probably making. Do you want to grow your breasts fast? Well, taking shortcuts is definitely not the way to do it, as it can be counterintuitive and you will be preventing your breasts from actually growing. But don't worry, we all make mistakes now and then. It's about fixing those mistakes that help you achieve great results. This is the difference between growing your breast over a year and growing your breasts in just a couple of weeks. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes that are slowing down your breast growth process. Mistake 1: exercise. It might come as quite a shock to you, considering the huge amount of content on exercises for breast growth you can find all around the internet. But chest exercises do not grow your breasts, they only grow your pectoral muscles, which are behind your breasts. When you grow your pectoral muscles, your breasts seem bigger as they are pushed out. But this only works when you are wearing a bra. Take your bra off and your breasts look a bit weird, and you don't want that. Your breasts are made up of fat, and in order to grow them, you need to get more fat into your breasts. Instead of burning the little fat you actually have by doing the intense chest exercises. However, breast exercises are great for lifting and firming your saggy breasts. Mistake 2: not changing your diet. This doesn't mean eating tons of fat and hoping it all goes into your breasts while still maintaining a slim body. It's all about getting your body in the right conditions to promote breast growth and providing the essential nutrients to do so. That is why your diet is a huge part of natural breast enhancement. Because contrary to popular belief, estrogen and progesterone are not the only hormones responsible for natural breast growth. You also need human growth hormone. And the best way to increase this hormone in your body is with foods such as protein. Protein is necessary for producing cells and repairing tissue. And if you're looking to get bigger breasts naturally, you'll have to aim for at least the minimum requirement of protein per day, as the amino acids in protein-rich foods stimulate the production of human growth hormone. Keep in mind that it's not just the quantity of protein you ingest, it's the quality too. Almost all whole foods contain some amount of protein. But to stimulate breast growth, you also have to focus on the amino acid content of the proteins you are consuming. Good fats are also super important, since your body can actually use fats, especially when you're trying to grow your breasts. Good fats, like omega-3 fatty acids, also really help hormonal balance, which is key to successful breast growth. If you want to learn more about all the essential foods for breast growth, you can check out our video about growing your breasts by eating the right kind of foods. There will be a link to this video in the description below. Mistake 3: doing the wrong breast growth method. As I said before, most women believe that growing their breasts naturally is all about increasing estrogen. But in reality, that is just a small part of the journey. There are 5 different effective breast growth methods that actually work. Choosing the right method is the most crucial step in your breast growth journey, as it will not just guarantee you achieve great results, but also provide the safest way to do so. You see, when it comes to growing your breasts, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. We are all starting at different cup sizes, different ages, different body weights, and different genetics. So a method that works for someone else might not work for you, and the method that works for you might not work for someone else. That is why we have created a simple quiz you can take right now to know which method is best for your unique body. This 60-second quiz will provide a personalized solution that will help you get better results and grow your breasts very fast. You can find the link to this quiz in the description below. And for sticking with us till the end, you get a bonus. Mistake 4: growing your breasts with olive oil. Olive oil does not grow your breasts at all. What actually grows your breasts is the breast massage you do with the olive oil. Breast massage is an integral part of natural breast enhancement. By massaging your breasts, you are stimulating blood flow and improving circulation in your chest area. Not only is this essential for breast growth, but for firmness and overall breast health. When you do a breast massage, you need a lubricant in order to not damage your skin, and olive oil is an excellent lubricant. But to grow your breasts, a breast massage is only effective when you combine it with a breast enhancement cream, as it will help your breasts absorb the cream better and faster. Doing a breast massage without using a breast enhancement cream is like trying to fill up a pool using only a jug of water. It will take such a long time and tons of work that it's very likely that you will give up before finishing the job. That is why doing it the right way is the only way. That's it for today, ladies. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content about natural breast enhancement, and comment below if you have tried any of these methods.